Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to supercharge at a Tesla supercharger station, so if you're interested, stay tuned. First thing you want to do is open your charge port. You can do this by either using your app or from inside the car. And then go over here, grab the charger, plug it in, you'll hear it lock. Let's hop back to the car. So as you can see, it's supercharging right now. What you can do if you want to set limits, you set your limit, you can move this dial to wherever you want. I have it set on kind of the default, which is like 90%. I would recommend doing that if you're going to supercharge, because supercharging actually kind of deteriorates the battery if you charge it all the way to full all the time, so I wouldn't do that. So stay with the 90% recommended. And also, since I have a referral, I have 6 months of free supercharging, so I don't have to pay anything. But if you did, you would see that down here in this area, right here, and it would tell you, how much you're paying per kilowatt and all that stuff, and how much your total is. And that's just connected to your Tesla account, which is, you have a credit card on file with Tesla, so they're going to be charging that credit card. Another nice thing about Tesla superchargers is that you get notifications. So when your battery is almost complete, or getting close to it, it'll give you notifications. Hey, you might want to get back to your car because your car is going to be done charging in about 20 minutes or 10 minutes or, whatever it is. So it's kind of one of the nice things about having the Tesla app on your phone. So I've got enough charge for a while, so I'm not completely done yet, but I'm just going to stop it. So what I need to do is hit stop charging up here, and then let's hop out of the car. And then to get the actual charger out of your car, there's a button here. Push it, and then pull it out. And then go ahead and put it back in the slot here. So once you put the charger back, basically once you get back in your car, you're just going to see the normal navigation screen, and you're ready to go. You can leave and use your car like you normally would. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.